Hey guys, my name is Shreyas and welcome to Simple Chemistry. In the previous video, we talked about how we can determine the number of significant digits a number has, or a measurement, to be more accurate. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we account for significant digits when we use these measurements to perform calculations, specifically multiplication and division. So the rules is that you use the smallest number of significant digits in the equation when rounding the answer, and only round at the end of all calculations. That's going to make more sense as we do a couple of problems here. Okay, so let's look at the first one. So 2.045 times 3.00. So what you do, let me get a calculator. So 2.045 times 3.00. So the number is 6.135, okay? But before we write that down, we're going to have to round this answer based off the numbers we used here. So this number here has 4 significant digits, okay? 2, 4, and 5 are non-zero digits. This 0 is a hug digit, so it has 4 significant digits. This number has 3 significant digits. 3 is a non-zero digit, so it's significant. And these zeros are trailing zeros after the decimal point, so they're also significant. So the rule here, remember, says that use the smallest number of significant digits in the equation when rounding the answer. So since this has 3, this has 4, our answer needs to have 3 significant digits because it's the smallest number of significant digits. So in order to do that, we're going to have to round this off to the hundredths place, right? So if we round this to, since this is a 5, we'd round this to 6.14, then we have 3 significant digits, and we satisfy the rule. So this answer here would say 6.14. Let me write that down. 6.14. Okay. All right. Let's look at the next problem here. 1.45 divided by 3.2, so you'd go to a calculator and do that. So we're getting this long number here. Now let's look at these numbers. The 1.45 has 3 significant digits because, all non-zero digits are significant and all those digits are non-zero. This 3.2 has 2 significant digits, so we go with the smaller number. So our answer here needs to be rounded off to 2 significant digits. In order to do that, we're going to have to round to the hundredths digit here, so we would just write 0.453. I mean just 0.45, sorry, to account for 2 significant digits. Okay, here, so this is where this is important, okay? When you have more than one number, you need to put everything into a calculator first and round at the very end. Okay, so here we do 7.7 times 3.45, and then divide that by 0.02. So you wouldn't do just this and then use significant digits and then do this part and then use significant digits again. You do all the calculations in your calculator first, and then you look at significant digits. So you're getting this. So this number has 2 significant digits, this number has 3 significant digits, this number only has 1 significant digit. Okay? So our answer needs to be rounded off to 1 significant digit. So in order to do that, we can only have the thousandths digit, so we would write 1,000. Alright, it's that simple. If this video was confusing and you didn't understand completely, that means you probably need more practice with identifying the number of significant digits that a number has, and you need to become very good at that before you try to perform calculations with significant digits. But that's how we use significant digits in multiplication and division. It's as simple as that.